Hi, welcome to my last SHS Diaries.
Who among you are still confused?
Urine tissues na that would
Okay, energy check. Kasi may bagong dating, no?
Vlog takeover, guys. Na yung guys, dalawa yung ako.
Pakita niyo yung pin niyo.
Kung mahanap, wag na pala.
Pag thumbnail ka. Hi, Iris. JC, give me this.
Online FM. Pack lunch or cafeteria food? Siyempre, cafeteria. Hindi ko naman ibabaon eh. Study alone, study with friends.
Study alone.
Sabi nga ako eh. What will you choose? Paskuhan or UAAP games?
Oh my God! Yung
Games, sabi ko.
Mag-timing lang yun. Talaga?
Oo, tay. Meron nga kami, ano eh, ano tawag doon? Sheets.
8 times debut. Subscribe, like, follow, click the one, subscribe. 3, 2, 1, subscribe! Sikat na kami na! I'm on YouTube! Oh! I love you so much! Jet, you're so glowing right now. Our melanin is so... Yeah. Static.
Drone shot.
Keep dancing. Keep dancing.
Ano ulam? Food review, food review. Sige, food review kayo. Basic beach review.
Parang ano, pang white people.
Bayanihan. Go-vlog ni Amy.
Ano lang, pang last part.
Ay, since ano guys, hindi niya kasi na-vlog, nag-tintay mo ito ng isang araw, tapos nagsimba sila, nag-shopping sila sa SM North.
Hello vlog!
Nadring kasi yung cellphone niya eh.
Hi everyone!
Parang ang zoom in ng camera mo.
Hoy, nandito kami! Ay. May priority lane.
Prestige link.
Manila Cathedral.
Ngayon sa dating pinatatayuan ng Philippine National
What?
Bank.
Okay na? Yung situation. Okay, balik tayo dun. Video.
Tulad Picture tayo pagka...
Ay! Normal ba yun? Oo! Yan, okay yan.
Mamamatay na siya in 3, 2, 1. Imagine mo, nag-opera ka, natanggal mo yung puso.
Okay, go. We is holding our bag. Okay.
Hi guys!
Okay. We're done with the hanging bridge.
Hindi ka na simula.
Bakit kasi kailangan sa tuktok yung chapel? Bakit? Hindi ba nature yung baba? Bye to Colorwega, guys. Bye, Colorwega. Next stop, Colorwega, Spain. Hi, Elmo.
Hey guys! Welcome to my fish pond.
Fish pond. Ganyan.
There's no fish. Mukha siyang Thailand.
Waiting for some. Hindi ko na sundan. Sorry ah. Okay. Nag-focus kay Lumia. Try ko pa rin. Oh my God, so emo.
Damit. Damit, yung damit. Yung suot ko nung birthday ni Mia na tinatawanan niyo ko.
This concludes our commencement ceremony for the USD Senior High School.
All good things must come to an end, for there are even greater things ahead. 2 unforgettable years of senior high school officially over.
Hey guys!
If there's one piece of advice I'd leave behind, it's this. Make the most out of your deadline. Be present in the chaos. Pull all-nighters, lock yourself in at cafes, take on spontaneous trips, dive into after-class adventures, and squeeze in the things that makes you feel alive in between. Trust me, it's not the lessons in class, but rather these moments are the ones you'll carry forever. And that's a wrap on my SHS diary. Thank you for being part of the ride. I'll catch you soon as I turn the page to college life. Nothing but love, A.